You can't go to Green Acres without living with a plant. And I got the plant that I was always wanted, and it's the azalea that is always blooming. So this is the azalea I got. And the reason I got it is because it blooms a couple times a year, which I need here because I prefer to have flowers that are blooming more. So this is the azalea I have currently here. It's pretty tall, but the issue is that it's blooming once per season. So I gotta take care of it, but it's kind of blooming once per season. And I'm gonna turn the camera. I'm gonna show you something. So this is this azalea, and it's pretty tall, which is great. This is the other one. They're actually the same kind, and this already start blooming. But as I said, they're blooming once per season, and I rather have them bloom more. The reason I cannot remove this one is because it's keeping shade for the hydrangea, because the sunset goes this way, and if the hydrangea has too much sun, it's gonna burn, and I don't want that. And this is such a beautiful, those two are so beautiful. They're pink hydrangeas. So I need to wait until the new azalea I got is tall enough, so then I can maybe replace this one. I know it sounds crazy, but I prefer something that blooms often. And if I can dig this one and place it somewhere, that's gonna be amazing, but we'll see. So this is it. This is what I got from Green Acres, and I'll see you guys in my next video.